We purchased a barn door on Facebook Marketplace, of course. And today we're gonna be hanging that barn door. Kind of when I moved to the farm, one of the more frustrating things was figuring out how to install a real barn door, because if you Google barn door installation, all you get is the decorative indoor barn doors. So it's really hard to find information about how to hang a real barn door and what hardware you need to do that. So let me show you what we got. So here's the barn door we got. And then the trick is to purchase this, which Menards calls a door track. So if you Google barn door hardware, you won't find this, which is essentially what you need. So yeah, we got a 10-foot galvanized door track from Menards. And then the other thing that you'll need is this trolley hanger. So you get the door track, the trolley hanger, and the door, and you should have what you need to hang a real barn door. So let's give this a try. The door is actually gonna go right here. So we're gonna cut off the bolt here so that we can have it flush up against the top.